Want to share someone else's Instagram story with your followers? In this video, I'll show you how to repost someone's Instagram story in just a few quick steps. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where I show you quick and powerful Instagram tricks to make social media easier. Step 1. Unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Check that the app is updated to the latest version for the newest features. Now you're ready to browse stories. Step 2. At the top of your Instagram feed, you'll see story circles. Tap the story of the person you want to repost. Watch the story and confirm it's the one you want to share. Now look for the sharing option on the screen. Step 3. Find the share icon on the story screen. Tap the icon to open the sharing options. Instagram will now display different ways you can share the story. Next, choose the option to add it to your own story. If this tutorial is helping you learn new Instagram tricks, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart social media tips every week. Step 4. From the list of options, tap Add to Story. This will open the Instagram Story Editor. Here you can customize the reposted story with stickers, text, or effects. You can also resize or reposition the original story post. Step 5. Look for the arrow or share button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to prepare the story for posting. Instagram will now show sharing options for your story. Make sure the Your Story option is selected. Step 6. Finally, tap the share button. Your reposted story will instantly appear on your Instagram story. Your followers can now see the original story through your repost. And that's how you successfully repost someone's Instagram story. And that's the easiest way to repost someone's Instagram story in 2026. Sharing stories is a great way to engage with friends, creators, and trending content. Just remember that reposting works best when the original user tags you in their story. For more powerful Instagram tips and tutorials, keep watching Preyo Phonie.